Are you ready to get your finances in order in the year 2025? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to list 3 of the best money decisions you can make in 2025. The first is make it a priority to eliminate any debt you may have. If that's too much of a task, then at least reduce your debt. Prioritize paying off any high interest debts that you may have, especially credit card debt. The average credit card has an interest rate of 24%. And that is very hard to overcome when you're trying to get out of debt. The world's best investors would be thrilled to have 24% return on their investments. When you are in credit card debt, you are essentially giving the financial institutions a 24% return on their money. Put that money to work for you, and you can't do that if you are in credit card debt. So make it a priority to eliminate any high-interest credit card debt. The second financial decision that you should strongly consider making in 2025 is to build an emergency fund. Sock away 6 to 12 months worth of expenses, and that way you will be in good shape if you need emergency funds for medical bills, car repairs, home repairs. Make sure that you sock away money for a rainy day. 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses would be ideal. A main reason people get into credit card debt is because they don't have the emergency fund set aside in the first place. Therefore, they are forced to put these emergency expenses on their credit card. So if you have money socked away for emergency funds, then you are less likely to have to resort to putting emergencies and unexpected expenses on your credit card. So if you can build an emergency fund, 6 to 12 months of expenses, you reduce your chances of getting into credit card debt. And when you're not in credit card debt, you have more money, more capital to put in your emergency funds for 6 to 12 months of living expenses. And finally, once you have eliminated any high interest credit card debt, you built 6 to 12 months of living expenses just in case unexpected expenses come your way, then the third best decision you could do is start investing your money and making your money grow. You got to stay ahead of inflation, and you got to think long term. You would be amazed what putting just a little bit of money into an index fund or stocks that grow over time. Compound interest is a wonderful thing, and the growth of money compounding over time can get you ahead of inflation and eventually put you in a position of financial freedom where you can work because you want to, not because you have to. If you can make it a priority in 2025 to eliminate any high interest credit card debt, build 6 to 12 months of living expenses in an emergency fund, and begin to invest your hard-earned money so it can grow over time, then you're going to be in wonderful financial shape in the year 2025 and beyond. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. If you are ready to work because you want to, not because you have to, and you want to live life on your own terms, and you want to learn how to make money, save money, and invest money, I appreciate it if you subscribe to Diversified Dollars.